Welcome back to Smith's Customs. You got Jacob here. Well, just for a little bit of change of pace to get away from old Project Blackbacks over there, we're going to go ahead and we're going to work on this little guy. This is actually a Cobra 50cc race bike. Got this for my son. We fired it up. I took it for one ride around the yard and something happened and it won't start. Motor won't even turn over. What's wrong with it? Don't know. I just got it. Might overpaid for it a little bit, seeing that it's blown up now, I'm assuming. So let's go ahead, let's rip this thing apart and see what we got going on with it. I figured this would be a good video. Sorry about the lack of videos here lately as well. I've been a little under the weather, we've been sick, so I'm just gonna kind of get back to it here. Let's get going on this thing and see what we find on it. We're gonna start by ripping everything off and see what we come up with. Hopefully it's just something really simple, but to be honest, that's not my luck. It's probably going to be catastrophic. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get me a nice little box here. It's a beautiful little box. We're going to use that to put all the parts in. And we're going to go ahead and just strip this thing down, because I need to inspect it anyways. Alright, right off the bat, we run into something really nice. Broken parts. First thing. Who would ever imagine that? I bought this used from a guy, and it did start running when I bought it. Brought it home, fired it up, made one lap around the yard with it, and it's coming back up to the garage, and well, that was the end of it. Now it won't even turn over. The motor's locked up. So I'm assuming, just an assumption, I'm gonna guess and say the top end's gone in it, but I really don't know. The best thing we can do is just tear this guy down, take a look at it, and see what we have. We're just taking one step at a time. There we go, we got the seat off. That was just one bolt in the midsection in the back. We're going to go ahead and we're going to pull these side plastics off also. Wow, more broken stuff. Alright. This is just starting out really nice. The more broken parts I can have, the better off. It just makes me so happy to start off with lots of broken parts. Gives me more stuff to fix on it. And then kind of the reason for doing this is I feel bad. I did post a video of me getting my son's YZ60 running and ready for the year. Well, his younger brother wants to ride. And while it's hard to explain to a little kid that he can't ride because his dirt bike's not running, so we're gonna see if we can figure out what's going on with this thing and hopefully get it fixed. But part of the reason I'm disassembling this is because I'm not familiar with the bike. So me being the way I am, I want to tear this thing apart. I want to know what all's done to it, what's in bad shape, what needs to be replaced, because my son's going on it, so. Some people would label where each one of these bolts go. If you're not used to doing stuff like this, I highly recommend Ziploc bags and label where each bolt goes. So that way, you know, okay, you can put one Ziploc bag for, say, the back plastics, and then another Ziploc bag for frame pieces or anything, you know, those are just examples. And then you can label